Hey buddy, I got a 2012 Chevy Silverado and I was looking to put some exhaust on there and I came across your video on YouTube and I did the same thing to my truck. Took the muffler off, did the Y-pipe thing. This is the truck. Check it out, sounds pretty good. So, thanks a lot, man. It's pretty cool. I kept the factory exhaust on that side. I just had to add this side. The guys over at Custom Automotive did a pretty good job. I don't know if you can see in there or not. Not really. But put a 3-inch pipe in where the muffler was. Did the Y, reduced it down 2.5 out. I kept my catalytic converter and everything else. So, pretty cool, buddy. Thanks a lot.